Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 14th February 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you are the most elevated, most fortunate decoration of the Brahman clan. God Himself gives you greetings. Question: why does the Father give you children the news of the world at the confluence age and not in the golden age? Answer: the golden age is the beginning period. How could He tell you the news of the whole world, that is, the knowledge of the beginning, the middle and the end of the world, at that time? How could He give news of the cycle if the cycle hadn't repeated? It is only at the confluence age that you children are given the full news by the Father. You are also the ones who receive a third eye of this knowledge. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Maintain the spiritual intoxication that you are most elevated Brahmans who are even higher than the deities. Cleanse the soul with this knowledge and yoga. Number 2. Give everyone greetings for the incarnation of Shiva. Give everyone the Father's introduction and make impure ones pure. Liberate everyone from Ravan, the enemy. Blessing for today. May you step away from all the expansion of colorful things and make difficult things easy as an easy yogi. Details are: when you begin to look at all the external situations instead of looking at the Father, many questions can arise. You then begin to experience an easy thing to be difficult because the situations are the tree whereas the Father is the seed. Those who hold the tree of expansion in their hands put aside the Father, and the expansion then becomes a trap in which they become trapped. There are many colorful things in the expansion of situations to attract you. Therefore, have remembrance of the Father, the seed, and put a full stop and step away from everything, and you will become an easy yogi. Slogan is: to finish the alloy of I and mine is to become real gold. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. With the speciality of unity and faith, become full of success. Now, let everyone come together, be united and carry forward any task of service with a lot of splendor. With the cooperation of every Brahman soul, with good wishes and pure feelings, create a splendor in service. If someone is not able to speak with words, then he can create an atmosphere of happiness with the attitude of his mind, and create a world of happiness with his stage of happiness. If you are unable to go anywhere, if your health is not good, then you can do service while sitting at home. Definitely be cooperative in service, and only then will you be able to create a world of happiness with everyone's cooperation.